Hey, what's up, YouTube? Come back, it's your boy T. Yeah, man, it's been a great year. I've been scarce for quite some time, man. Scarce for I've been scarce for quite some time. Yeah, man. Hope your trading's been going well, because life has been amazing. Just wanna look back into 2024 and appreciate everything that I've been doing. And yeah, a lot happened this year. We closed down the academy, YVNT Academy. We closed it down. Me and Jay decided to like take it down. Everyone go their own direction, focus on life, focus on ourselves mentally, and focus on family also, man. Yeah, a lot of change. We grew up, trading. We've never stopped trading. I'm sure maybe a lot of you might have thought that we've stopped trading. No, we didn't stop trading. We're still trading even today, right? And hence why you see that YVNT is no longer YVNT Academy, is YVNT Traders Club, right? So a lot is going to be happening in 2025, right? I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be doing, right? It's going to be amazing, right? Yes, I'm still in Cape Town, still in SA. Life is amazing. I can't complain, guys. I can't complain. I just want to give you guys few tips before the end here, and then so that you can be prepared, so that you can prepare yourself for 2025. You know, yeah, man. One thing that I want you guys to do first is be grateful for everything. Be grateful that you are alive. But be grateful that you woke up today and be able to watch this video, and be grateful that you wake up on a daily basis to press buy or sell on that MT4, MT5, C trader, trade locker, whatever trading platform that you're gonna be using. Right? Be grateful that you woke up on that day. That's the first thing that you need to do on a daily basis. Be grateful that you are alive. You woke up so that you can be able to execute on the market, right? Life is not easy, right? But we take it as it come, right? And one thing that I love about trading is that it made me stronger than ever. I never knew how strong I am until I started trading, right? So yeah, man. All I can say is for 2024, thank you, and thanks God for everything. Thank you, Father, for everything, man. I can't complain so much. I can't complain. Life has been good. Trading has been up and down. I've discovered that I am the best trader in my world, right? Not in everyone's world, in my world, right? I make money for myself. I trade for myself, and I am grateful for what I've achieved in my trading and in my career, right? In everything. So, a few tips I want to give you guys is that make sure that you stay loyal to yourself. You don't follow social media. Stay loyal to yourself. That's one thing that kept me going, right? I never felt pressure. Yes, when I was starting, honestly speaking, I did feel some pressure, right? You always want to be like everyone else, but then as time goes, when you start knowing yourself and start realizing and understanding yourself, what matters to you, then things change, and then that's when you start becoming a beast in your life and in trading also. So one thing I'm gonna say is stay true to yourself, be loyal to yourself, be loyal to the skill, right? You will never, there's no shortcut in the skill. You will never try to maneuver within the skill and think you're gonna be up there by joining signals. Yes, mentorship is fine because I am where I am because I did buy some courses. I think I bought 4 courses when I was starting trading, because I saw that doing it on my own was gonna take me longer. I had money to invest in myself, so why not do it, right? So for those that don't have money to invest in themselves, then I understand. Yes, you can self-study, but then if you have money and just buy a course, man. Just but from a reliable person, right? So yeah, and apologies, guys, that we never gonna be teaching again, right? But we are gonna be doing some great things like in 2025, right? I'm gonna be like moving around, and I promise myself to get portfolio on the industry. So yeah, and then other thing is stay loyal to yourself. Never stop learning. Learn from your mistakes. You will lose money on trading, right? You will know you will lose money on trading, but you will lose a lot of money in trading if you don't want to accept the losses. You want to learn from your losses. You stubborn. You think you know all, right? You think you know it all. You will lose a lot of money. But then if you accept the losses, you learn from your mistake, and you understand that you are not perfect, right? Then you will start making more money, right? Because it will start minimizing and deleting some of the mistakes. And also, it's very important to alter your strategy, right? Just because You hear people saying never change from this strategy to this strategy. Guys, you're gonna see as we go along, I'm gonna be breaking down my new strategy that I'm using. I haven't changed how I look at the market, but I did add few things and then remove few things from how I trade so that I can become better and better and better, because why, I was learning from my mistakes, right? So yeah, you can't keep doing the same thing over and over and expect different results, right? So what I was doing is I saw that okay, I'm working on what I'm making, but this approach for me, it's making me overtrade, it's making me great and stuff like that. But we are going to get into that, like when we do the strategy breakdown and the channel breakdown. Maybe I'm gonna drop that in 2025 in January, right? But I wanna say, guys, be be yourself, learn from your mistake in trading, never give up in trading. Seek If you seek help, join a community where you're gonna be able to speak with traders. Don't do it for people, do it for yourself, for your family. And yeah, man. And the other thing is, trading needs money. Trading needs money. Trading is a money business. Trading is a money game, right? If you don't have money, you will never make any trade. You will just stress yourself and your family and your wife and your kids and everyone else that's looking up to you, right? But if you focus on making money first, not from trading, listen to me. If you focus on making money first, not from trading, from outside trading, and then come and invest in trading, then it's going to be easy for you to trade, right? It's going to be easy for you to trade. Why? Because now you're going to be trading in a place of not fear, not fearing losing money, because you already know how to make money outside of trading, right? One mistake that I had was surviving from trading. That was the difficult thing ever experienced in the past 2 years. I was profitable, but surviving from trading is not easy, not at all, right? So yeah, so what I decided to do is, which is gonna be tip number three, or this tip number three is learn how to make money outside of trading. Can be business, can be anything, but the easiest thing where you can get money. The English is not Englishing anymore, guys. But I'm glad to be back on YouTube, man. I'm glad to be back on YouTube. So the other thing is that get a job. Don't be shy. Get a job, right? As I am recording this video now, standing here with you guys, I'm at work. Today is what? Today is the 30th of December, and I'm at work, right? And yeah, it's not nice working on a holiday. Hence why we're investing on trading so that you can become financial free and then get freedom to be able to travel the world, But if I'm gonna be stuck sitting in a house, no income, how am I going to make money from trading? But then if I'm going to tell myself that, you know what, go look for a job, get a job, pay the bills, pay everything else, remove the stress, right? And then go to the market stress free. Uh, Honestly speaking, my win rate increased. Yes, I'm still taking losses. That's normal. I don't even give a fuck about it because I know it's part of the game. But my win rate and my confidence increased because why? I don't fear anything anymore. Right? I don't fear losing money. Right? I just failed phase two of a Profem challenge, right? But the reason I failed it is because I over leveraged on a move that I know that was less probability, right? While I was waiting for the high probability move. So that it was for me. And when I over leverage, I knew that okay, I'm gonna be risking the whole I think 4% of that account, right? And I was like, okay, if I risk 4%, I'm when this move sorry goes back to profit, I'm gonna make plus minus 4% because I was looking into 1 to 1. Hence why I'm saying it was less probability, right? And then what I did is when it was in a drawdown, I was like, if I close now, I'm not gonna have enough room to take this high probability trade. I will have to take it with a lower lot size, and then I won't make back this money that I want to make now, right? And I was like, you know what? Let me just let it run and see what's gonna happen. If it comes back to break even, I'm closing it. Then I'm gonna take this opportunity, right? Market never came back to my demand zone, and then it just pushed up, and then I took a loss. I was like, okay, cool, that's fine, right? At least I was right with the second option that I saw, right? The first option was also wrong because I over leveraged on that one, right? Which is going to be a story for another day. But you see, now I'm trading out of fear. So losing that account for me meant nothing because I am able to buy another challenge and start over again. right? I'm able to find my account and start over again. So now I can do it multiple times, which trading, what that it needs money, right? You need to keep funding your account so that you can be able to make money, right? So if you don't have money to fund your next account, you will never treat your current account the way you will treat multiple accounts that you know you're gonna have. I don't know if you're making sense though, right? So what I'm trying to say, yeah, guys, miss you guys a lot, man. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get this channel to 100K by the end of the year this year. But what I'm trying to say is trading from only one account and trying to survive from that one account, guys, you will trade out of fear of losing, and then you will keep closing your losses, or you will keep holding your losses longer, and then you will keep closing your wins short, right? You're gonna close with your small profits and always let your losses run, because you don't wanna close, you don't want your balance to drop, you always want your balance to go up, right? So that's gonna fuck up your psychology, your trading, and your account, and you're gonna lose that money. But if you have more money to fund, you end up risking, knowing that, okay, you know what? Okay, I have this $1,000 account. Okay, I'm gonna be risking $100 per trade. There's a trading plan. Don't give a fuck about 1% or what. Well, I'm not saying that it's wrong, but don't give a fuck about what people are gonna be telling you that you need to risk. That's no. It's your trading plan. You have a plan in mind of how it's gonna work out. If you're gonna be risking $1,100 on a 1,000 account, that means you have 10 trades to lose in order to lose that account. If you lose those 10 trades in a row, obviously blow the account. But then if you over leverage and lose more than what you're planning to lose, then it's on you, which is what I did on this challenge. So yeah, man. Nowadays we just polishing the skills and making money, living life. That's it. We're no longer chasing the glorious life. Nah, bruh. Like it's out of the way. Yeah, we want the luxury cars and the lifestyle and everything, but there's no pressure, bruh. 4 years going to 5 years in January, and all I can say is I'm happy, and I can't wait for 2025. It's gonna be amazing. All I can say, stay loyal to yourself, learn from your mistakes, go find a job and make money so that you can be able to trade free with no stress, and then all in that. God bless you. Don't forget to pray on a daily basis. If you don't believe in God, whatever you believe in, just do that, right? Because mentally you're gonna be strong, so that everything can work. If you're not strong here, nothing will work, right? Much love. Believe in YVNT. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like below. Let me tell me what you think about 2024 and what you're looking into in 2025. Are you excited about what I'm gonna be dropping this year, or what? Yeah, YVNT, your vision, not the years. Cheers.